The 2011 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, Bluetooth, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, compass, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, tachometer, leather seats, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, remote window operation, power heated outside mirrors, driver memory seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.